In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Xbox app slow download speed. Now the first thing that we want to do is we want to open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Press enter and then you want to type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Now it's going to say you need to restart your PC, but we're going to do that later. So now what you want to do is you want to close this one down, and then what you want to do is come here and then search for Windows Update. Open up the Windows Update, and from in here you're going to scroll down until you find Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find Delivery Optimizations, and then you want to turn off Allow Downloads from other PCs. So turn this one off and make sure it's off, and then you can close it down. Then what we want to do is we want to search for Xbox, right click on it, go to App Settings, and this should open up this page in here. What you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find these buttons. You want to start by terminating. Once it's done terminating, you want to repair, and once it's done repairing, you want to reset. Now once you've done all of this, close out of it, restart your PC, and now it should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.